Now, what do we have here? Jethro Tull. Okay. Okay, so check it out. I've heard of Jethro Tull forever and ever, and I never necessarily knew what he did, if he was a singer, guitar player. I still don't know, but we about to find out today. I'm Krizz Kaliko. I am the only multi-gold and platinum rapper, singer, songwriter, producer that reacts to videos on YouTube. This is Krizz Kaliko Reacts. Let's go.
Krizz Kaliko.
Kaliko?
Krizz Kaliko. Krizz! Oh, they're waking Krizz up!
Like, share, comment, and subscribe to one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube. Jethro Tull, Locomotive Breath. Such a good title. Such a good title. Rock pop concert. This was 1982. Let's find out what he does, man. I'm really curious. Is that Jethro Tull right there? Or maybe that's Jethro Tull right there. That's got to be him dancing over there. Dark video. Hey.
Business craving, steam breaking on his brow. From Charlie, he stole the handle, and the train won't stop going to slow down. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. It sees his children jumping on the stations one by one. This woman count his best friend, and having fun when he's rolling down the corridor on his hands and knees. Oh, Charlie, he stole the handle, but a train who won't stop going to slow down. Hey. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Man, give me a pause. This dude's super energetic. I never knew what Jethro Tull did. I'm like, I thought he was a guitar player. I thought it was the first dude. This dude's super energetic. This is the kind of concert you go to and then you be like drenched leaving it. That's how I always wanted people to leave my concert, drenched. And I don't mean in the bad way. I mean, well, the good bad way. Never mind. Let's keep going. A flute? Whoa. Hold on. Give me a pause. We ain't just going to sneak past the crazy flute solo like that. I told you in the 70s, he seemed like he's somebody that came from the 70s. In the 70s, it seemed like people were so much more experimental with their music. You know what I mean? I thought Lizzo was the first person to ever play flute solos like on songs that don't sound like they would have a flute solo on. I did not know Jethro, and they may have even referenced that with her. I had no idea that this dude was like this dope on the flute. That was absolutely incredible. But yeah, 82, he probably still had some lingering popularity. Not that it is even gone away now, but I'm just saying, like, he still might be relevant now if you're listening to this genre, this type of music. But I don't know, man. Absolutely incredible. I know they were experimental, and it was still dripping over into the 80s. Let's go.
There's a silent howling when he catches angels as they fall. And the all-time winner has got him by the balls when he picks up King's Bible. Yes, it's open at page 1. I think that God, he stole the anthem. And the train who was stopped going to slow down.
Where's Waldo? We found Waldo.
Slow down. No way to 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 slow down.
That dance. Give me a pause. These dudes also dress like 2 or 3 of them are dressed kind of like pirates. Am I tripping? Jethro Tull and their guitar player are kind of dressed like, they're dressed like dudes that probably got their start at the the Renaissance Festival. They look kind of like Renaissance Festival dudes. Am I tripping or no? What? Give me a pause. What was in the ball? Tell me, don't tell me it was some kind of dust in there that was, hold on, dog. Another dust bubble? There was a substance in there. Let's see this one. Come on, dog. Give me a pause. He's putting out balloons with dust in it. What was in them balloons, man? He playing the flute, blowing more than the flute, obviously. Yeah, there was something in there. I know my mind wasn't playing tricks on me that second time. Jethro Tull had something in them balloons. He played. This is the most eclectic blend of anything I've reacted to on here. First, he was rocking. The Renaissance Festival dudes were rocking. Then he broke out the flute and killed it. Then he blew. Then he put a bubble. Then he put the Coke bubble. Put the angel. It was a substance. Let me not mention substance. Then he put the substance balloon to the crowd. They knew to pop it. Who's got needles in the crowd? Who's got something in the crowd to pop that anyway? It wasn't like they pulled it down to pop it. It was like they knew to bring a needle. They're probably doing something else with it. I don't know. This blew my mind and made me feel weird all at the same time. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to one of the fastest growing channels on YouTube, man. Krizz Kaliko Reacts. Cali, baby. See you. Bye.
Whose house? In your house.